Greetings, I want to take the time to introduce to you a work-from-home opportunity that is changing lives. That's right. You heard it. It's changing lives. So get in while you can. This amazing direct mail business is called Integrity Mailers United, and it's causing a lot of buzz. It has been around for a couple of years and they just launched this new platform. It's the plan to a grand. Are you looking for a way to earn some extra income? Well, this is it. Your search is over. With us you don't have to worry. We will take care of you and send out all your materials, and can have you set up and earning in no time. If you work hard every day, and are sick and tired of living paycheck to paycheck, and working for someone else's dream, then allow me to introduce to you an amazing program that is changing the lives of families everywhere. If you want to earn an extra $100, $500, or even $1,000 or more per month, and have the freedom of earning an extra income from the comfort of your own home, so you can pay off bills, take a vacation, and do whatever you want. If you can share a simple flyer with others, then this program is for you. The time to get started is now. Get ready to join a community of everyday people with a passion to help families bring in an extra income. I am here, and happy to help you every step of the way. Feel free to contact me at any time. So take that leap of faith and get started today. There are 7 different levels you can come in at. This is what you get when you join. When you come in at the first level, called the associate level, you pay a total of $80 and send $40 to admin, and $40 to your sponsor. You also get a welcome kit emailed to you, which consists of personalized flyer, getting started and resource guide, then your own membership training site. When you come in at the second level, called the manager level, you pay $160. You send $80 to admin, and $80 to your sponsor. You get a welcome kit mailed to you, 1 book of US stamps, 20 envelopes, 50 peel and stick leads, cover letter, and $10 bonus that goes to sponsor of sponsor. When you come in at the third level, called the director level, you pay $320. You send $160 to admin, and $160 to your sponsor. You get a welcome kit mailed to you, 2 books of US stamps, 50 envelopes, 100 peel and stick leads, cover letter, and $15 bonus that goes to sponsor of sponsor. When you come in at the fourth level, called the boss level, you pay $640. You send $320 to admin, and $320 to your sponsor. You get a welcome kit mailed to you, 3 books of US stamps, 100 envelopes, 200 peel and stick leads, cover letter and website funnel, and $20 bonus that goes to sponsor of sponsor. When you come in at the 5th level, called the executive level, you pay $960. You send $480 to admin, and $480 to your sponsor. You get a welcome kit mailed to you, 4 books of US stamps, 100 envelopes, 500 peel and stick leads, cover letter and website funnel, and $50 bonus that goes to sponsor of sponsor. When you come in at the 6th level, called the president level, you pay $1,400. You send $700 to admin, and $700 to your sponsor. You get a welcome kit mailed to you, 6 books of US stamps, 100 envelopes, 1,000 peel and stick leads, cover letter and website funnel, and $80 bonus that goes to sponsor of sponsor. When you come in at the 7th and last level, called Royal CEO level, you pay $2,000. You send $1,000 to admin, and $1,000 to your sponsor. You get a welcome kit mailed to you, 10 books of U.S. stamps, 100 envelopes, 1,500 peel and stick leads, cover letter and website funnel, and $100 bonus. That goes to sponsor of sponsor.
The internet has brought about incredible change and opportunity like never before. Did you know that it is actually possible to make a full-time income online without even leaving your home? And I'm not talking about a small profit here. There are thousands upon thousands of people currently earning incomes through online marketing. But just because the path to success is out there, doesn't mean it will be easy to follow. You need a guide, someone with experience, who knows the way to success. We'd love to share more with you about this exciting new opportunity. To learn more, simply follow the directions on this page. We look forward to sharing our secrets with you.